Okay, a little bit louder. My name is Slim, and I'm from Texas, but with an accent. I love the UK. I love the people from there, and this is a sound test using the diphthong with an unerotic accent. So that means no R's like car, bar. And I'm gonna open up YouTube and playing a song, a rap song, that I like a lot. So here we go. Oh, this is Netflix. Sorry. Let's go to Microsoft Edge, YouTube. Here we are, and let's go. No, we don't need movies. We need this. I love this song, guys. Oh, hence the name. Very nice beat. Oh.
You ready to step up your ball game?
No. Okay. Here we are, mates. Yeah. Yeah, heard me okay? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Sound test over. I don't know what is going on.